بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على النبي الكريم وبعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us the opportunity to continue our lesson in Kitab AlAkhdari. This is going to be the 13th lesson under Zuhur Education Foundation, and we are still on making of prayers, and we are going to continue from second case today, inshallah. So here, as we can see, a person missed Zuhur, Asr and Maghrib prayer. So, he missed these prayers and he just went and observed his Isha'i prayer. But he has forgotten that he has missing Zuhur, Asr and Maghrib prayer. So he went ahead and observed his Isha'i prayer. So in this case, he is done with the Isha'i prayer and he was not able to remember until after he said Assalamu alaikum. So the validity of his prayer is that his prayer is valid, but he's going to repeat if there is enough time. Okay. The second case is that here, while he is praying the Isha'i prayer, then he remembers that, oh, I have missed Zuhur, Asr and Maghrib prayer while he is performing Isha'i prayer. So in that situation, his Isha'i prayer is now invalid. Because of what? Because he remembers Zuhur and Asr and Maghrib prayer while he is praying Isha'i prayer. So since he is not concluded, he has not concluded the Isha'i prayer, then his prayer is invalid. The third case is that he already observed the Isha'i prayer and the time has elapsed. There is not even enough time. Then his prayer is valid. So now the third case. In this third case, we can see it is a person that is praying. When we say faz, we mean the person who is praying alone. The imam is the person leading the prayer and the ma'mum is the one following the imam. So in the first raka'ah, the imam or ma'mum remembers a missed prayer, and it is 1 p.m. It was 1 p.m. In the first stage, he is going to make it 2. He is in his first raka'ah and he remembers a prayer, a missed prayer. Then he is going to make his prayer to become 2. The second stage is that he is going to take his taslim, said Assalamu alaikum, then that 2 raka'ats, that the 2-unit prayer he did, is in nafila. So in this second stage, what he is going to do is that he is going to come back and pray the missed prayers if they are not up to 4. And in the third stage, he is going to pray again the present prayer. For the case of Mu'tam, we are going to explain who is Mu'tam. In this case, for what we refer by Mu'tam here is that he is the person who is following the imam. He is following an imam. Then he remembers that, oh, I did not perform my Zuhur prayer, but now he is following the imam in an Asr prayer, and the imam is in his first rak'ah. So this person following an imam, he does not have any choice. He have to complete that 4 rak'ahs of Salatul Asr, and immediately after they finish that rak'ah, that Salatul Asr is now in nafila. He has to stand up, pray that Zuhur prayer, that is the Yasir, and then repeat the present prayer, which is the Asr prayer. So, in this case again, it is 6 p.m., it is close to Maghrib prayer. The first Imam and Ma'mum are in the first raka'ah, and one of them remembers that he did not perform so prayer. So in this case, since it is close to Maghrib prayer, one has to cut off his prayer, then pray those prayers that he owns, which is the Yasir, and then perform the present prayer. The same thing for the case of Mu'tam. Okay, for the case of Mu'tam, he has to complete the prayer, then pray Yasir, and then repeat the present. In a nutshell, what we are saying here is that when you are leading prayers and you remember a missed prayer, then you have to make your prayer to become 2 unit raka'at, which is a shafa, to become a nafila. Then you exit from the prayer, you have your nafila now. Then you perform the missed prayer and then come back and perform the present prayer. But for the person following an imam, he does not have any option. For the person following an imam, he does not have any option when he remembers that he has a missed prayer while following the imam. What he's going to do is that he have to continue following that imam until the imam releases him. After the imam releases him, that prayer he observed with the imam is now a nafila. He has to go back and perform the missed prayers he has, then come back and perform the present prayer. This is what the explanation of this third case is all about. Alhamdulillah.